Hi, this is PC Mag editor Rob Marvin here with Augment, which is an enterprise augmented reality platform that we're featuring in PC Mag's Startup Spotlight. And I'm here with Lindsay Boyajian, who's the Chief Marketing Officer of Augment, and she's going to show us through all of the different kinds of tech they have, all the different use cases for their AR 3D modeling, and
yeah, show you what we got. So yeah, I'm Lindsay, I'm from Augment, and here, well, why don't we start off, we'll show you one of our demos that of a Coke cooler. So Coke is one of our enterprise clients, and they use Augment for their field sales team. So they sell.
Right, so one of the key use cases you guys have is kind of creating these custom branded experiences and letting businesses kind of get a sense of how something like a Coke machine would look in a real space.
Exactly, so their field sales team can go in with just an iPad and this augmented reality experience and sell the product, and they can change colors and configure the cooler and create these really custom products without having any prototypes or actual coolers on site.
Right.
So here we can change out different type of Coke, different type of sodas, whatever you want.
Yeah, get some Fanta in there.
Yeah, you want some Fanta, and then I can take a picture of it, and I can send it to you for later too, if you're my client, to confirm, and after the meeting. What else? We'll show you, we not only work with kind of big CPG companies, we also work with a lot of architects and a lot of designers, because with Augment and with the augmented reality, you can bring AR to life. So you can see exactly what a building project will look like before it's even constructed, when it's still just a vision. And so here you can see we're zoomed in, and we can actually feel like we're on the site of that building project.
Yeah, it's like this amazing way to 3D model and also prototype for these complex designs.
Exactly. Yeah, so here's a good example of prototyping. Another one of our clients uses Augment to prototype their trays for airline industry. So they actually can test different prototypes before tooling or manufacturing those prototypes.
Right.
And it saves them a ton of time and money.
Let's see if we can get that.
Well, why don't I give you this?
Sure, yeah.
And why don't we try, let me
see if I can hold some 3D objects in the palm of my hand.
Yeah, so here, you can bring it forward if you want. Yeah, so now you're holding a shoe right in the palm of your hand.
Look at that.
So you can
logo in there. Oops, lost
Yep.
it. Got it back.
Yep, move it around, and the model just attaches that card, so you can manipulate it and actually get a feeling of what the 3D model will look like. So it's great for retail or any type of product sale, whether it's B2B or B2C.
Right, and you talked about the product sales. Another thing you guys can do is sort of like take an actual product catalog and allow the consumers to visualize something that they see it on the web page, and then they can just sort of bring it to life.
Exactly. So let me show you. I actually have a product page here. So let me show you. So what you can do if you're a retailer, you can actually invite your clients to scan a page of your catalog or a brochure, and with that, unlock your entire gallery of products. So all of a sudden, your customer can try out any of your lamps in real size when they're not in store. Or if they're at home, they can actually embed Augment into their mobile app or their mobile site, and again, launch different products at home.
Right, like sort of basically making it sort of like a commerce button.
Exactly,
Yeah.
and so here you can compare different models side by side. We can take a picture of that, share that with our friends on Facebook. Hey, do you like the black or the white for my new house?
Yeah. Yeah, it just takes the shopping experience to a much more interactive level.
Yeah, completely. And it's the next wave of kind of what's coming with augmented reality, augmented commerce.
All right, so what else? What other cool 3D objects can we
Well,
bring to life with Augment?
what we can do is let's get you to stand over there, and I'll show you our good friend, DJ Khalid.
Oh, DJ Khalid.
Yep,
Love that.
one of the keys to success is augmented reality.
Oh, hey, buddy.
Yep, and so there he is.
Am I
Yep, you got him. Yep. And so here we got him, and you have your own DJ Khalid right in studio now. I'll take a picture of that, and I'll send that to you for afterwards.
We're both on Snapchat.
Awesome.
What else?
There you go. We also have, who else do we have here? We have Dancing Shark.
Oh, Left Shark.
Left Shark from Super Bowl a couple years ago. So we got him right next to you there, same spot as DJ.
Whoa.
Yep, there he is.
Oh, Left Shark.
Yeah, he's got his little routine down. And so yeah, you can have animated models, you can configure the models and change color, so lends itself to everything from kind of B2B side, but then also this fun and entertainment.
That's awesome. So yeah, I mean, what kinds of, like, as far as customer use cases, would it be used as sort of like person-to-person modeling for?
In terms of these kind of fun characters,
Yeah.
they're great for marketing initiatives. So if you are a marketer, you can invite your customers to scan different products or different brochures or different marketing materials to bring these kind of fun and interactive experiences to
Oh,
life.
there's Left Shark.
There he is.
Dancing around.
Yep, and just enjoying it.
Yeah.
And we can actually set him down. Let's bring him here.
Let him
so-
dance on the table.
Yep, we'll bring him to the table here. Yeah, so it's a great way to engage millennials and engage any customer because they can unlock these just print material that was once kind of stagnant and static and bring it to life, and it connects that offline and online, which is kind of the goal of every marketer these days.
Yeah, and what's cool about Augment is that, I mean, right now you're showing it on a tablet, but Augment also has mobile apps for iOS and Android, and there's also like a desktop manager. So it's you guys have developed your own kind of proprietary 3D modeling engine that optimizes responsibly for different sized devices. Right?
Yep, exactly. So we're available on iOS and Android, and we work across, one of the reasons we work so well across all different devices is because of that 3D engine. We're able to render models well across every type of device, no matter if it's the most advanced and the newest technology to some of the kind of the older models.
Right.
So, yeah, and our content manager is awesome for, there he goes. Our content manager is great for managing all your content on the back end. So you can upload all of your 3D models. We have plugins available for all of the popular 3D modeling software to make the upload process really easy.
Right, so like for let's say an architect, you can take these models you've created, take pictures of them, and then kind of import them into whatever other software they're using and create a project.
Exactly, and it's really seamless, and our goal is to make it as easy. Oh,
Yeah, let's get some other.
let's see what else we got going. Yep, so we'll show you some more of the, speaking of architecture, we have some more architecture models here. But yeah, our goal is to make it as easy as possible for designers and teams to bring their models to life through AR.
Right.
And that's why we create all these mechanisms. So now we're zoomed into the model. We're kind of in this.
A little too far. Oh yeah.
Yep. And so you can see exactly what it's like. So this, and then we also have created Augment Desktop, which is great for designers to configure their models before AR, because oftentimes if you're uploading a model to an augmented reality platform, you're not sure how it's going to look. It looks different when you actually upload it.
So something with a ton of granular detail like this, like just to have a desktop app to customize it before you bring it to AR.
Exactly, and so you make sure you can actually add your animations there, you can configure the model and actually make sure it's going to render properly when you import it from your software.
So I think we went through most of the main use cases here. What else? Let's see if we can have some more fun. See what else we've got in the catalog.
I think we saw some of our more fun ones. You can see here, what do we have? A little bit of a plane engine we can use, kind of see the animation there.
Yeah, that's another great use case. Complex automotive and aerospace manufacturing.
Of course, because you can see exactly what a complex product will look like.
Yeah, so we're looking at a jet engine pretty much right now.
Yeah, you can zoom in and you can actually animate. This one's animated, so again, you can take it apart and you can see what all these pieces look like when they come together. So there we go. Cool.
Okay. Thanks so much, Lindsay, for taking us through Augment's tech and showing us all the different ways that businesses can use augmented reality in a ton of different use cases, be it retail or manufacturing or architecture or design. There's so much you can do with augmented reality, and we've only scratched the surface.
Yeah, well, thanks for having us.